Make a great choice today with the 2014 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, speed control, power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.